Tonight you'll do something no human could do for 300,000 years. You'll cancel the night. Screens, lamps, LEDs blasting your face at midnight. Your brain thinks it's noon. Sleep doesn't agree. But ancient humans didn't just pass out when it got dark. And they weren't terrified either. The truth is weirder. What they did at night changed with one thing: fire. And fire changed everything. Night became humanity's greatest social invention. Not a problem, an opportunity. Without light, darkness was a wall. It shrank your world to arm's length. People pressed together close to fire, close to each other. Fire didn't just cook meat. It bought humans extra hours after sunset. The day stretched, not forever, not like your phone thinks, but enough to create something new. What filled those hours? Stories, songs, plans, maybe just staring at flames pretending to be deep. We still do that. Anthropologist Wiessner proved it. Daytime conversations were logistics. Nighttime, pure storytelling. Day was for survival. Night was for meaning. Massive difference. Those stories weren't entertainment. They carried rules, memory, identity. A campfire story was social technology. Research on hunter-gatherers confirms storytelling built cooperation and trust. You weren't just listening. You were learning how to belong. But night also meant danger. Humans in the dark, no claws, no night vision, just anxiety and imagination. So people slept in shifts. Someone always watched. Your brain still does this. It's called the sentinel effect. Even today, you sleep worse in a new place. One hemisphere stays alert. Ancient software, modern skull. And sleep itself was different. Not one 8-hour block. 2 chunks with a quiet gap in between. Biphasic sleep. You'd wake at 2 a.m., think, pray, talk quietly, then drift off again, totally normal for millennia. The Hadza today still sleep in flexible, overlapping shifts. Almost no moment when everyone is fully out. That's not insomnia. That's a security system built by evolution over hundreds of thousands of years. Nighttime was also sacred. Rituals, dances, ceremonies, all happened after dark. Darkness made things feel important. That's not superstition. Reduced vision heightens other senses. Night amplifies emotion. Your ancestors knew this instinctively. Then artificial light arrived and broke everything. Gas lamps, then bulbs, then screens. Night stopped being a social space. It became solo time. You alone with a glowing rectangle. We traded campfire stories for infinite scroll, group bonding for algorithmic isolation, melatonin confused, circadian rhythm shattered. The body thinks sunset means wind down. The phone disagrees. We didn't just lose sleep. We lost the social architecture that nighttime built for us over 300,000 years. Loneliness, insomnia, anxiety at 2 a.m. These aren't bugs. They're symptoms of a stolen ritual. Your body still expects firelight, voices, presence. It gets blue light and silence instead. You're not broken. You're just running ancient software in a world that deleted the original environment. So maybe tonight, try something old. Dim the lights. Talk to someone. Let the dark do what it was designed to do. Night was never the enemy. We just forgot what it was for.